Okay, welcome to part one of the Seaggs Vector Mockup Pack review. For those of you who don't know, the Seaggs Vector Mockup Pack is a collection of clothing brand designs that you use to send to manufacturers to make your clothing brand. I'll put a link to the video explaining what it is in the description of this video. The reason this is going to be a three-part series is because there are three components to the Seaggs Mockup Pack. There's the vectors, like the actual drawing of the clothing. There's a manufacturing list, and then there's also a list of designers. One more quick interjection, just so it's clear. So the idea is that I'm going to make a clothing brand so I can test the Seaggs Vector Mockup Pack, and then based on the performance of that brand, that's what I'll base my review on. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hi, it's me again. I'm back for my third interjection to make sure that this video actually makes sense. So what I'm doing is I'm making another brand. It's called Spare Time, and I'm making it with my friend Adam. And so the idea is we're going to make a Y2K like streetwear style brand. I'm really excited about it, so I'll have more details like very soon. But this series is just about the Seaggs Vector Mockup Pack, so like it won't be about my brand. You can find all that on our like TikTok pages and other stuff, like other social media sites that we use for the actual brand. This video and this series is just about the usefulness of the Seaggs Vector Mockup Pack, and if I think that it's worth it for new clothing brand owners to buy it. So yeah, anyways, back to the review. So yeah, this is stage one where I'm getting a design, and so far I have not used the designer list, but that's not to say that the whole mockup pack is not worth it. Just this one specific part of the pack has not been super helpful yet. Please subscribe if you want to see parts 2 and 3 as they come out. I just want to be documenting the entire process of using the Seaggs Mockup Pack. If you're running a brand out there and you've used the Seaggs Vector Mockup Pack, random things are opening on my computer. If you've used the Seaggs Vector Mockup Pack before, please comment down below. I really want to know, like, what was your experience? Like, did you find this product useful? Because I don't know. I've noticed there's no like really reviews for it online, so I figured I'd just test it myself. So yeah, thank you for watching.